On the digital front, our digital superhighway agenda has reshaped Kenya's economy, placing technology, innovation, and youth at its core. We have expanded digital infrastructure by over 24,000 kilometers of fiber, linking urban centers to remote villages. In 2022, public Wi-Fi hotspots were rare. Today, 1,494 free public access points empower traders, students, and innovators across Kenya. Through the completion of the 316 digital hubs and the ongoing construction of 404 more ICT hubs, we are equipping young Kenyans with the skills to thrive in a rapidly changing world with digital jobs. Over 1.9 million youth have been trained in digital literacy, with nearly 300,000 securing digital jobs across through Ajira, Jitume, and BPO services. Ladies and gentlemen, these programs form the engine of a youth-powered economy. They are the pipelines of opportunity and demonstrate our unwavering belief that when our youth rise, Kenya rises. With determination, hard work, and focus, we can indeed realize our overarching objective of creating at least 1.2 million jobs annually. Over the past 2.5 years, 430,000 Kenyans have secured employment overseas through the Kazi Maju program. We are negotiating bilateral labor agreements with various governments to safeguard our workers and align their skills with high-demand markets. Through the Weso Fund, we are financing air tickets, visas, and settlement costs for Kenyan youth taking up jobs abroad. In this pilot phase, Kenya shillings 200 million has been already provided and already supports 225 young people. Equally, over the past year, the Youth Enterprise Fund has provided mobility-ready support, including pre-departure training, certification assistance, and financial literacy to prepare our young people for international employment and successful reintegration. And the Youth Fund has disbursed 244 million, enabling 2,271 young people to secure jobs in various countries abroad. Today, I will be presenting checks worth 163 million to support a further 816 young people who have successfully secured jobs through the labor mobility program so that they can prepare themselves to travel and work abroad.